In this video, you will learn about words that are used to compare two or more nouns. Comparatives and superlatives are adjectives. As you have learned earlier, adjectives are used to give more information about a noun. To describe the height of a boy, we use the word tall. To compare the height of two boys, we add er to the adjective tall. Taller is a comparative word used to compare the height of two boys. Let us look at another example. To compare two rich men, add er to the word rich. He is richer. Richer is the comparative word. Let us take a look at a few other examples. Cold becomes colder. Small becomes smaller. And old becomes older. For words that end with E, like safe or nice, add R to make it a comparative word. For example, safe becomes safer, and nice becomes nicer. To make a comparative word with an adjective which ends with a vowel and a consonant, like it, at, or in, double the last letter and add er to it. For example, thin becomes thinner. Big becomes bigger. And hot becomes hotter. To compare more than two nouns, add est to the adjective. To compare three rich men and to talk about the person with the most money, use he is the richest man. Add est to rich to create a superlative word. Let us look at a few more superlative words which compare more than two nouns. Cold becomes coldest. Small becomes smallest. And old becomes oldest. To make superlatives from words which end with E, like safe or nice, just add st. Safe becomes safest, and nice becomes nicest. Like comparatives, if the last two letters of the word has a vowel and a consonant together, like it, at, or in, double the consonant and add est to make it a superlative. Thin becomes thinnest. Big becomes biggest. And hot becomes hottest. Remember, not all words follow the rule. The comparative for good is better and the superlative is best. Now you know how to compare two and more nouns.